But she never knew I was a seed and that I would grow. And now that I'm growing, all when she in a church and she see the tree I grow, she can't feel good to see the fruits I bear off of the tree. She want to chop it down from in a church. But I tell you from I start this life and I go and end it this way. If she ever do a song and me feel like she a throw it off of me, I go and lim up her dirty blood clot. Cause bad mind and a something where you feel born with. And bad mind and a sitting where you feel have. Me never trouble her. So nobody no call me and tell me say me feel done. Bounty killer! Rodney Price! You make the woman hate me. I just the truth, me have to talk it. $19.99 when I met Bounty Killer. Bounty look at me, I don't know what he saw. I don't know what he saw. I swear to God. If somebody tell me, say, yes, some would have reached, me wouldn't know. 1999, when I met Bounty Killer, he started to show me so much love. I have done millions of interviews. Big up my album 10. Make sure you on stream my album same way. 10 out 10 is nominated for a Grammy. You want to stream the album. Stream it, stream it, stream it. The first song on my album, I paid homage to people who helped me along the way, who supported me, who, stop and lend a helping arm. Ladies, that name never in there. You know, shame. Your name never in there. Me call Bounty Killer, me call Ninja Man, me call Baby Sham, me call Vibes Cartel, me call Shaggy. Who else me call? The one woman. Couldn't call your name. Couldn't call your name. Because you give me the more, you give me the first 8, you introduce the first 8 to me in a dance hall, and you fight me. 1999 when me meet Bounty Killer. Bounty Killer was the one who handed me the first microphone. And when me DJ on the spot, if Bounty Killer remember good, I clash me and them up there clash. Power Man was on the stage. Bounty was on the stage. Them time they are Bounty Killer. And when Bounty said, hey, wow, clear the way. And people are run up and down. You think me as a little girl, me are 14 years old and nervous. And me stand up and DJ. And the man look for me, me don't know what the man say. The man say, you are going to come take over from Lady Sir, but me I go tell you how it go, why he make she hate me. Bounty Killer invite me to come and it's the party. He might not remember, Because remember, it is important for me to remember because it was happening in my life. So if him forget, me nah forget. The man give me a time to come and it's the party, But me reach late. Because me have to walk from Brayton. Me go out from Brayton to out a big road. And me walk from out a big road, go out a Nago Z. Mighty God of Daniel. God of Shadrach, Meshach, and Abednego. God of... Hey, the walk. And when me reach it's the party, me reach late. And when me reach it's the party, and Bounty say, huh? Me tell us if you come. Watch a clock, Bounty have a different even. Almighty God, we have to find something. We have to find something. Oh my God, this man paved the way for so much of us. And when Bounty say, me tell us if you come. Watch a clock, you just a reach. And the young artists them perform already. Right. And me stand up there and me decide, say, me nah go home and me nah move, cause me want work. Me reach late. And when me reach late now, Lady Sir come. Lady saw come, remember me a little girl. And me excited. Me the backstage, you know, remember Bounty Killer invite me, you know, and a be a star, me I see. And me say, lady saw come, and me glad now. Them time the Bounty Killer used to call me on stage, Ninja Man used to call me on stage, because a little girl, me wissy, me bad. And me go so bam now and see the lady, and me I say, hey, lady saw there. And remember me tell her, say, Bounty Killer go make the mistake. And Bounty Killer go look on the woman and say, lady saw, the little girl, yeah? She named Spice. And me I tell her she bad, she wassy, she remind me of you. And she come take over from your bumbo clot. I will tell the man for so. The man never know where my door. The man never know where my door. So in a film head when him think say no, the woman ever see this young girl we talented, will remind she of she, and she go take me up and pave me and curve me and say, come little girl. She never do it. Corrupt. Black. Dirty. Jezebel. Demon. Bad mind man. The woman hate me. The woman hate me look like a butty. The woman hate me like Pizer. When I never big when the man go to Lady Saw, when she a perform, because remember I know me come late, so my time gone now. When the man go to Lady Saw and say, call up Spice, because remember I want to just introduce her to me, you know. It look like she probably that hear about me long time, because when me, hey, me see some man diss me, you know, and you see anyhow, when I make all Spice come back, when I get fuck. Me I want you know. Me I tell you from now. Any owner make all Spice where you was so hungry, come back, uno get fuck. Uno better take comfortable Spice. Uno bet me I want you know. Uno better stay with comfortable Spice. Because if me go back to when me hungry, if me go back to back in the days, uno get fuck. So they look like say the woman hear about me long time. Because I used to bust up stage show. Everywhere me go. Ninja call me up. Bounty call me up. When Bounty still about me and the woman hate me, you know. The man go to her, the man. Call up Spice because she on the stage, you know. Call up Spice. You know me used to get me look call up. Me not no name for myself yet. Me young. Hear the woman pan the mic. A ball the whole night, you see. Hear the woman. Call up who? Spice? Make Spice go and stay in a rice. You dirty blood clot, you think me forget? Remember, me no forget. Remember everything because it happened to me. Make Spice go and stay in a rice. I want somebody find the video, you see? I want somebody go dig up 1999 video when you say it. You say it. And don't bother come talk about Richie Spice, brother. Because remember, I never chat to you after that. Me go into the world. It's just so long me there you talk and I talk too, no? Alright. The woman say make Spice go and stay in a rice. And me not telling no line, bestie. I feel it to me heart. After me walk so far, hungry that kill me, my shoes bottom would have pop off. Me couldn't even find clothes to go up on the show. And me look forward. The woman say, make Spice go and stay in a rice. And from that, I don't chat to her. I don't chat to her because some stay. Me don't chat to you. If me not in you, me don't chat to you. Me don't chat to her. I'm vex and I feel away. I start write bass song. Never know, because I got this her up. Because them the time there, me I turn around every song and I clash everybody. Lexus have a song, girl you better can cook. Think you there you for your pretty look. And me just turn around the song and say, man you better can joke. Think you there you for your pretty look. You want live in a me hole and know you can joke. Back shot. Blood clot. Look at all Spice did bad. I start right Bailey Sphere. Because I say that woman here going to be a problem. And you know what the woman do? Two show me and her go and I walk past her and I go up on the stage and bust up. She never feel good. You know when me see her now? Me there on our studio. What the man name me, him soul rest in peace. Me never remember him name. Me there around our studio and me see her. Them the time they know, me I get look call up round in a Kingston, I get look call up in a Jamaica. Spice bad, Spice I go this and Spice I go that. So every time I go studio, you know the man them rate me cause me little and me young and me bad. You come talk about people have to strip clothes. Have to strip off clothes and no talent. Lady, come go up and go from there. I go to studio, I see the whole heap of man, I see the whole of the man, them a boom off my fist and me I heal up everybody and I see her in the studio and I just look on her, cut me and walk past her, I don't call her. She shame like dog, she feel away, she come in the studio. Era, them time the Earlton was my manager. Is Earlton or FD? Because I used to have two old manager back in the day, you know. Earlton, me no remember. Era come now, she feel away because she see me talk to the whole of the man artists, them and everybody a big me up, you know. Me never get to really talk to you. You have a problem. You have a problem. Me offend you or no? She said me never get to talk to you. Me don't remember what her exact words. Cause a long time. Me tell you about this about 20 years ago. And me just say, yeah, me have a problem because when Bounty Killer did introduce it to me when me go It's the Party, and Bounty tell us say, you must call me up. Not Bounty, the man tell us say, you must call up Spice and you talk about make Spice stay in a rice. Me never like it and me feel away and me hurt by it. So that's why I not talk to you. Same way me tell her. Little girl. Hear her. Oh God. No. It's not so it go. Mighty Jesus. You see how people can get in a trouble. It's never you me a talking on. He's not Richie Spice. Where Richie Spice brother name? Cause she and him used to fuck. So she say she think of him me a talk. Where Richie Spice brother name? Mikey Spice. Hear her. Oh God, oh Lord. It's never so it go. Little girl is, you know, Mikey Spice. I make me think of Mikey Spice. Mikey Spice never the on the show. Move your dirty blood clot, your bad-minded witch of your wicked demonic serpent, you. Mikey Spice never the on the show. Oh Lord, I think it was Mikey Spice. Them I tell the man never say Mikey Spice. The man says Spice. And go from there. And that was the day where I made my mistake with that woman. Me make she apologize to me and then she friend me. And she friend me. And she use me. And she hold down me blood clot. You know a friend for 10 years. And I beg her every year to do a song with me. A dirty, demonic, Satan, bad mind woman, you. Go from the boy you're in a church. You can't preach to me. You cannot preach to me. Oh, you're a minister. Your heart heavy. You better call the whole of the Christian people them and tell them to come pray for you. You better go down on your knee. You better go up and fasting. You better repent. Because you're not of God and you know you're not of God. You know, see you go in a church and you still have problem. The pastor will run you out. You call me name for dirty woman that come talk about love. I don't want no love from you. If you was the only person left on the face of this earth and God come and God say, I want somebody if he say them love you, I feel you live, I rather die.